Philosophy of Sree Narayana Guru in his writing 100 Verses of Self-Instruction. The verse 1 and its translation by Nataraja Guru are as follows. അറിവിലുമേറി അറിഞ്ഞിടുന്നവൻ ഉരുവിലുമൊത്തു പുറത്തുമുജ്വലിക്കും കരുവിനു കണ്ണുകൾ അഞ്ചുമുള്ളടക്കി തെരുതെര വീണു വണങ്ങിയോതിടേണം. Its translation in English is, rising even above knowledge, what within the form of the one who knows, as equally without, radiant shines to that core with the eyes 5 restrained within, again and again prostrating in adoration one should chant. Sree Narayana Guru, in the opening stanza of his famous writing 100 Verses of Self-Instruction, has explained the importance of self-surrender to the cosmic consciousness. Cosmic mind, or the all-pervasive divine power, controls the whole universe. Let our ego, or the I consciousness, prostrate before the one supreme consciousness that is manifested as this world, so as to become an instrument of God to do good things. Self-knowledge is to be sought introspectively, with the outward-going interests restrained. This will help us to come out of selfish motives of ego and to think in a higher level and perform noble works for the welfare of the whole universe. We receive power to do such things by getting in contact with the all-pervasive divine energy, by tuning our mind to receive the energy by devotion to the divine power and constant meditation. The realization of this supreme consciousness pervading the whole universe and getting direct experience of it will make a positive change in our outlook and relations. To achieve this, Narayana Guru instructs us to control our senses and fix our wandering mind on the self within to get a glimpse of divine energy by direct perception. Perceive that the same one consciousness is continuously modulating as the world outside and also our inner self. This will help us to harmonize our thinking in the right way, in agreement with the divine will, and to work as an instrument of God. This will help us to have great reverence to the universal power that is also within us, and to get in contact with the universal power and act according to the divine will, neglecting personal attainment and selfish desires. Try to maintain this contact with inner self as far as possible by meditating on the self even during the performance of our duties. Wisdom and action, as in the Gita, are brought together as one subject. Exaltation is natural to the adventure of the discovery of self, and hence chanting the text is in order and normally indicated. The original stanza in Malayalam by Sree Narayana Guru is this. അറിവിലുമേറി അറിഞ്ഞിടുന്നവൻ തന്നുരുവിലുമൊത്തു പുറത്തുമുജ്വലിക്കും കരുവിനു കണ്ണുകൾ അഞ്ചുമുള്ളടക്കി തെരുതെര വീണു വണങ്ങിയോതിടേണം. The translation of this verse in English by Nataraja Guru is as follows. rising even above knowledge, both within the form of the one who knows, as equally without, radiant shines. To that core, with the eyes 5 restrained within, again and again, prostrating in adoration, one should chant. The core concept of the stanza is that the self-knowledge is to be sought introspectively with full concentration.